It's okay.
Anthony, go ahead. Put it near its mouth.
Yeah, don't be afraid.
There you go. He's got it. Oh, it's slippery. Now it's slippery.
Now it's all slippery.
There you go.
Wow.
Ew!
want that whole thing? Yeah. There you go.
Yes. You're going to get bigger than that. It's pretty big.
Yeah, no, it's huge. But like, how long did it take him? When did he stop growing?
No.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, when he was 3 years, he reached his adult
I'm
weight
gonna use
size.
celery. He's happy.
Yeah, they're beautiful.
He's a happy cow.
Yeah.
More rough than that. This is how cows are supposed to do.
Anthony, if he was on a farm, how long would he live?
Isn't this a farm?
4 months. Only 4 months.
Sorry?
And then they would kill him for veal.
Tongue meat?
Angelo, try again.
Sure. It's big, huh?
Just put it in his mouth, Angelo. He's not going to bite your hand.
Don't be afraid. He won't bite you.
It's just a tongue. It's just his tongue.
Came up close.
Wow.
You have a nice video.
Random catch